Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my global markets forecast. We are also going to look at gold and silver, how the metals and markets are going to behave throughout this day before I come up with my next analysis for US markets before the US cash market opens. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start with gold first. Gold right now trading at 1812 levels, failing to go past 18, as I shared in my weekly analysis, that any rise beyond 1825, 1827 is a good level to go long for. So far, trying to trade in this channel with the highs at around 1821 today and the lows at around 1805, 1804 levels. If it breaks this level, 1800 might provide a support, very good support, and from there we might see a rise today. Hence, the probable trading range between 1820 to 1804 can be expected. And this is on the daily charts. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, right now it appears, as I said, 1820 is what we are getting a resistance, and now probably it might try to take a drop and at least try to achieve 1804. Then 1800 can also be seen. Also, we must see that on a 4-hour chart, this is the consolidation zone in which it was trading. Now it is trying to break it out and probably going to go well below, fail to trade in this zone, again trying to break below. Hence probably we might expect that it can retest 1804, 1805 somewhere here, and then in fact can go well below till towards uh, if it breaks 1800, then definitely you can expect it to head towards 1791, this zone. But I expect it to trade till 1805, 1804, and then probably a bounce back can be expected. A probable trading range for the day is between 1820 to 1804. Now let's have a look at the indicators here. And if you look at the indicators on the daily charts, let me give you a closer look. Here it is going to get some support here at 1811, then 18 till 1811 and 1810 it is going to get a good support. Then the next support is here at 1805. Below that it will definitely try to break and touch this zone between 1795 to 1800, and below that I will consider this as extremely weak. It might trade heavily, it might break heavily below 1790 levels, but I expect it to bounce back, might trade sideways between 1804 to 1820 levels. Let's have a look at the stochastic. Was overbought and now at a comfortable levels. There is a crossover which on MACD lines which might happen on the daily charts, and once this crossover happens we might see a good break on gold. And this is on the daily charts. On the 4-hour charts, stochastic is comfortable, MACD lines are trading on a sell side, and if you look at the charts closely, you can find that on a 4-hour chart it is going to get some support till here at, this is a 100 period moving average. It might give it a little support till 1810, 1811 level. Breaking this 1810, we might expect it to drop till towards 1805, and below that it can head towards 1797, 1800 levels. So please trade accordingly. On the top side, 1820 is the resistance. Once 1820, 1821 zone is taken, you can go long, remain long on gold for the rest of this week. So this is for gold. Now let's move towards silver. Now this is on silver. Silver on the 4-hour charts, we have seen one strong bullish candle, breakout candle out of this sideways zone in which it was trading. 2340 was the level. We were expecting that this level at 2340 is crucial and it is going to give it a strong resistance. Now it might try to it has broken this channel, it has broken this zone. Now it might try to come back and test this zone at 2332, 33 levels, and from there again probably a strong candle might appear. This is one of the expectation for silver. On the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts, see after let me turn off the indicators first. Now turning off the indicators, you can clearly see that 2280 is the support in my weekly analysis also I had told, and 2340 is the resistance. Now it is trading beyond resistance, and probably this zone at 2340 might provide a support, and then 2332 will provide a support. From there it can probably take another bullish candle which might take it towards 2380 and plus levels. My expectation from silver is to act bullish, and probably if it breaks 2332, then only I will expect it to break it below 2320 and 2300 levels, else it might try to trade in buy zone and we can expect it to rise a bit. The targets for the day is at around 2360, 2380 levels on the top side. Till the time it remains about 2332, you can remain bullish on silver. Breaking 2332, we can expect it to drop till towards 2320, and below that we are going to remain bearish on silver. This is the expectation on the daily chart. Now let's have a look at the indicators. Looking at the indicators on the daily charts, you'll find that 20 period moving average trying to provide a support at 2280, 2300, and this is a 100 period moving average. Now this level should provide a support at 22, 2320 and 2330 levels. Till the time it remains above this zone 2320 and 2330, probably we might see silver rising again towards 2380, 2400 plus levels this week. Don't Same was shared in my weekly analysis also. Now look at the stochastic on the daily charts. It is again in a buy zone. Probably we might see a bullish candle on silver again today also. So second green candle might head towards 2360, 2380 zone. MACD lines on silver are on buy side. RSI is comfortable, and this is on the daily charts. Let's have also look at the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour charts, it is overbought, and this is one of the worry point that probably couple of red candles with small movements might take it towards 2332, and then from there we might see a rise on a 4-hour chart. MACD lines are on buy side, and if you look at trading above the support levels, then next resistance which it might get is at around 2320 and then towards 2314 levels. But till the time today it is about 2332, you can remain bullish. You can again expect it to bounce back towards 2360 and 2380 levels. So this is all for silver. Now let's move towards India market. Nifty 50 on the daily charts, as I shared in my weekly analysis also, that 18350 is something we will be looking forward to. That is going to be a very strong resistance zone. You can see these 4 candles precisely achieving the same high at 18350, and now it is trading in this box between 18350 to 18100. Recall my weekly analysis. Same levels I told for that beyond 18350 it is a good buy. Below 18100 we can expect it to drop heavily. Probably the next support level at 18020, and then 17900 will come into picture. Below that it will try to retest 17800. So this is what is happening on gold on the daily charts. On India market, Nifty. Now on the daily charts you can see already a low has been seen, probably trying to retrace a bit from here and might try to test 18180 levels before trying to take a drop. Any drop below 18050 will be a very good indication that it is going to break below 18000 levels. And this is on the daily charts. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, here at this zone it is trying to consolidate and trade in this zone. A reversal will be considered once it breaks 18170, 180 zone. After that 18220 and 18240 will come into picture. Beyond that I will be again bullish towards 18300. Else, now if it breaks 18050 somewhere here, if it breaks 18050, you can expect it to drop again. Probably it will try to retest 18000 levels today itself. Any rise beyond 18180 today is a good level to go long. Any drop below 18050 is a good level to go short. Between these 130 points you have to be a little cautious while taking a position. Appears going to be a bearish day, but yes, 18130 in my weekly analysis also I said that on the indicators it is overbought. Overbought means it has to drop a bit before trying to take a rise, and that is what is happening. It is trying to take a drop from here. Now this is on the 4-hour charts. Look at the indicators. Here at 18180 it is trying to get some resistance. 18140 and 18180 it might get some resistance, and on the downside there is no support right now. Probably it might try to break. This is on the 4-hour charts. Look at the stochastic on a 4-hour charts is oversold. Once it is oversold means there is a probability that it can sustain couple of candles, but a probability exists that whenever it is overbought or oversold it can try to reverse and retrace a bit, and hence we will be looking forward to if it breaks below 18000 and then try to retrace again towards 18050, 18100 levels. That is something we'll be observing for. MACD lines are divergent here and are on a sell side. And look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, MACD lines are about to cross over on a sell zone. This is going to happen after a long time. Look at the stochastic on the daily chart. See, this was what I was saying, overbought. It remained overbought since quite a long now, trying to take a dip, and probably it might try to enter oversold levels before trying to take a rise. That is what we had shared in my weekly analysis also. So probably for the day 18050, if it breaks, that time you can remain short. 18,010 18,020 zone it might hit, and below that it can drop till towards 17,900, which is going to give it a very strong support. So till the time it remains about 18,180, you can remain short on Nifty. Probably we can expect 18,000 levels to be tested again before trying to take a rise. So this is all for Nifty. Now let's move towards US markets. US 30 and US 100 trading in a bearish zone right now, as I shared. US 100 below 18,180, critical support 15,180, below critical support levels. Now let's have a look at the charts for US 100. Probably second consecutive red candle we might see, and now you can clearly see on this chart that after this consolidation or sideways movement, it is try to take a drop from 16,000. If you recall, my weekly analysis clearly told that 16,050, 16,060 levels is the only level beyond which one 15,600, 15,800 is the level beyond which one can go long, else it might try to take a drop. Now it is trying to do the same. It is trying to head towards 15,000, and in fact can go till towards 14,800. Now till the time it remains below 15,200, 15,250, I can expect it to drop till towards 15,000 and 14,800 levels today. Second consecutive red candle might appear here, and probably we might be looking at somewhere at around 14,900 or 15,000 levels. Definitely try to get tested today again. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts also on the 4-hour charts, couple of sideways candle now trying to take a drop. 15,250 it has seen, and this is second consecutive red candle. Probably the third candle we will be observing for. It might try to take it till towards 14,900 can be seen. Till the time it remains below 15,250, we can remain short on US 100 today. Probably my target is going to be towards 15,000 and 14,900, and below that definitely it might break strongly. Now let's have a look at the indicators. On the 4-hour chart, it appears 15,500 levels is going to be a strong resistance level, and 15,600 going to be a strong resistance level. There is no support or any such support on the downside. The field is open. Till the time it remains below 15,250, you can expect it to break towards 15,000 first support level, and then 14,900. So any move beyond 15,250 might take it towards 15,350 and 15,400 levels, which is a very strong support level, and 15,500 again very strong support levels, resistance levels for any upside move. I don't expect it to break 15,500 today, but yes, any break beyond 15,500 is considered as reversal for the week for today. Now and also on the daily charts, you'll find that stochastic has almost seen the oversold levels here, and MACD lines are already on the sell side. RSI is almost at the trading at the bottom, and US 100 is also trading almost at the extreme of every indicator, every moving average line or any channel. It is at the bottom of this. Now on the 4-hour charts also, the stochastic is oversold, can continue for a couple of candles. Our third candle might appear, which might take it towards 15,000, and from there it can again trade till towards 15,200 to 50 zone towards the cash market once the cash market opens. So this is for US 100. Now let's move towards US 30. US 30 trading at 35,300, and failing to, if you recall the weekly analysis, failing to go past 35,800 here, and 35,500, and then this is on the 4-hour charts. Let me take you towards looking at the daily charts. That's what on the weekly analysis clearly said that 36,060 is the only buy level below which it might break, probably trying to break now. And now for me, the support lies now, the next resistance lies now at around 35,200 levels. If it breaks 35,200 today, then we can see a good break on US 100, US 30. Also look at the size of the candle, almost 36,000 to 35,250. It has seen almost 700 points, and for today, if it breaks from 35,400, 500, you can consider it is trying to take a break from here. Probably the next target for the day is at around 35,100, 35,000, and in fact can go till towards 34,900, 800 zone also. Probably we might be looking forward to a second red candle. Any reversal is considered once it crosses 35,500. I will consider this as a reversal, and we can expect 35,600 zone. This is a 100 period moving average, which might provide a little resistance for any upside move. So any move beyond 35,600, you can definitely remain long on US30 till the time it is below 35,400 today, and 35,450 specifically. You can expect it to drop. You can expect it to drop till towards 35,200, 35,000 levels. Also, looking at the indicators on US30, you will find that oversold levels on the daily charts. MACD lines are on sell side. On a 4-hour charts also it is oversold. May bounce back. Remember, may bounce back. So any rise here on US30 beyond 35,550 will be considered a very good rise, and in fact 35,600, if it breaks 35,600, then I will consider this for the next target at 35,800. It can reverse. Any break below 35,200 will be a very good level to go short for 5,000 and 34,900 levels. Remember, it can sustain overbought levels, so similarly it can sustain oversold levels. Between this 35,200 to 35,500, we have to take a little caution, and a probable break beyond 35,550 can be seen. We can also expect it to reverse, because currently on a 4-hour chart it is oversold. Now let's move towards Europe markets. Germany40 failing to go past 16,000 levels on the daily charts, and we had shared in the weekly analysis very clearly that any rise beyond 16,000 should only be considered as a reversal, else it might try to drop. This is the second red candle in formation. Any rise beyond 15,800 today will be a very good opportunity to long for 15,880 and then 15,920, 930 levels. Any drop below, now this zone at 15,660 is very important. Once 15,660 is taken, you can definitely remain short, and it can retest till towards 15,500 and 15,550 zone. So any drop below 15,660, you can remain short on Germany40. Also look at the DPO and the stochastic trading at comfortable levels near to oversold level, and MACD lines are divergent, indicating there is little bearishness. RSI is comfortable. Looking at the 4-hour charts, you will find that there is a resistance at 15,800. Any rise beyond 15,800, you can expect it to head towards 15,880, 900 and 920 levels. Beyond that, 950 should provide a very strong resistance. And if you look at the stochastic on a 4-hour chart, is comfortable, and MACD lines are divergent towards the sell side. So probably 15,660, if it breaks, you can take a short. You can expect it to drop till towards 15,550, 15,500 zone. Any reversal beyond 15,800, you can take a long for 15,900, 920 and 950 levels on Germany40. Now let's move towards the last FTSE100. FTSE100 trading at 7550 levels. On the daily charts, it might try to, now see, look at the daily charts. The probable support coming into picture at here at 7540 level. Once 7540 and 7520 is taken, it will try to retest again 7480 levels. On the flip side, breaking this zone here at almost 7580, you can expect it to rise probably towards 7600 once again. Now what I'm trying to say here is, if it breaks this zone at 7580 somewhere, you can expect it to head towards 7610, and then higher highs can be seen towards 7640 levels on the downside. Once it breaks 7570, you can expect 7530, you can expect it to head towards 7500 and 7480, which might provide a very strong support for UK 100. Also looking at MACD lines are about to cross over. After this crossover, we may see a strong break. On the daily charts, stochastic is comfortable, and look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, stochastic is comfortable here again, and looking at the rise here, probably any rise beyond 7580 should be considered. 7570 itself should be considered a good reversal indicator, which might take it towards 7600 and plus levels. On the downside, any break below this zone at 7530 should be considered as a bearish indicator indicator where we can expect 7500 and 7470 levels. So this is all for global markets, and now the next video will be up there for US, specifically US markets, just before US cash market opens. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and join my Telegram channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.